Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves Midnight Diner series, where I make the dishes from the great Japanese language Netflix series called Midnight Diner. This lesson is cat rice from season 1, episode 2. Cat rice is very simple home comfort food made with rice, bonito flakes, and shoyu, or Japanese soy sauce. That's it. The origin of the name cat rice is full of history and lore. One explanation is that cats like it because it's garnished with shaved bonito fish flakes. I have my own theory. The dried and smoked bonito fish used in this dish is called Katsuobushi. The word katsuo in Katsuobushi is the Japanese word for the bonito fish. Keeping in mind that cat rice is an English name, my theory is that katsuo or Katsuobushi was shortened to cat and combined with the word rice, hence cat rice. But who knows? In any event, you can dress this dish with an additional protein, like grilled fish. Though not part of this lesson because I'm trying to stay true to the TV show, I dressed mine with sautéed pork morsels and garnished with scallions to make a tasty meal. So let's start cooking. The first thing we're going to do to make our sushi rice is to wash it. And I usually rinse it 10 times. Which I find is enough to get the water to be running pretty clean. And I'm rinsing it right in the pot from the sushi maker. I'm sorry, from the rice maker. 10 times. Okay, now we're going to take 1 cup of water and add that to the rice, and we're going to just cook this in the rice maker, however the rice maker works. Rice makers differ, so my rice maker, you just put it in, you push the button. Okay, now we're going to make the bonito flakes for the cat rice. Now, you can either buy bonito flakes like this, they've already been shaved, that they come in a bag, and this is probably what you're going to do because this is the only practical way to buy bonito flakes in the United States. But I'm trying to remain true to the Midnight Diner show, so I'm going to shave my own bonito flakes. Now, this is a piece of Katsuobushi. Katsuobushi is dried bonito. Actually, it's been boiled, dried, smoked, and then cured. And it is hard as a rock, and it doesn't really look like a piece of fish, but it is. But as one of the characters on Midnight Diner said, nothing beats freshly shaved bonito flakes. Now, this little device here is called a Katsuobushi bako, okay? And it is a wooden box with a wooden block that goes inside the box with like a little plane, like a woodworker's plane on the top. And what you do is you take your piece of bonito and you just rub it over the blade and shave the bonito flakes down into the box. And the box has a little drawer right here which pulls out, and that's where you'll find the bonito flakes after you have shaved them. And so what we're going to do is just shave some of this into the box, and we're going to use that on our cat rice. There we go. Beautiful, freshly shaved bonito flakes. Okay, now we're ready to plate up. We're going to take our rice. I'm making for 2, as you know, so I'm going to use half of the rice and garnish with bonito flakes. The shoyu. And then I'm adding some sesame seeds. And there you have it. Japanese cat rice. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is at Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.